Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. So tonight I have another unboxing for you guys, which is gonna be whatever we have in this mystery bag right here. So this is an Amazon Prime bag, as you can see. So before I get into this unboxing, head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. All right, sorry about that noise in the background. Pretty much all my videos has the same sound, which is my daughter there playing in the background. All right, so let me head right into this unboxing. I'm not gonna do too much talking and bore you, so let me go open this package and see what we have here. All right, so just gonna rip this open, get it out. All right, so this is what we have here. We have a MacBook Pro hard shell case. All right, and this is Misiso. So if you check my previous video that I posted on this channel, I pretty much did an unboxing on one of these cases, which is a navy blue. So tonight we're gonna unbox this pink color. All right, and this is a silver MacBook Pro, and we're gonna unbox the pink case, and we're gonna install this on the MacBook. So this is my wife's MacBook, so we're gonna put the pink case on here because she wants the pink one. All right, so this also comes with the keyboard cover as well. So this comes with the pink keyboard cover that goes with the pink case. So if you happen to buy this case, it does come with the keyboard covers. Depending on if you have a 2016 to 2020 MacBook, it comes with two keyboard covers. So one goes with from the 2016 to 2019 MacBook cover, the key covers, and this one has one for the 2020 as well, because it has the escape key, like a physical key on this one, not the touch it's not on the touchpad. All right, so we're gonna open this right here, this package. All right, and it does come with some instructions inside here as well. All right, so if you pretty much want to see how to install this, it does come with the instructions, so you shouldn't have any issues there. All right, so here we have the case cover. As you can see, it's pink, and it has the stubbles here on the bottom here. So when you put this on a surface, on a flat surface or so, it does sit on these stubbles right here, and it won't get scratched that easy. All right, so it gives a little lift off the surfaces, and it does have the ventilations at the bottom here, so the computer doesn't get overheated in here because it's not trapping the heat. It does have the vents here, the same vents that it pretty much has at the it does release the heat from the bottom of this computer here, because it doesn't even have the vents here at the bottom. So this pretty much let it breathe. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install this on the MacBook. All right, so let's take this out of the plastic. Let me get something to pop this right here. See what I got laying around. All right, so I got a little tweezer right here, so let's go ahead, strip this plastic off. Here we go. All right, open this. All right, as you can see, what we have here is the pink case cover. Inside it looks really glossy, but on the outside it has a little matte finish, so it's not too glossy on the outside, which is really nice. All right, and as you can see, this is the keyboard covers. All right, so this one is the 2020 MacBook Pro keyboard cover, because it does have the escape key at the top left right here, as you can see. So this pretty much matches the case cover. All right, and it comes with some stubbles here extra, so you can put this at the bottom of the case if you want to replace them. And here so this is for the bottom portion of the computer, and this is gonna be for the top. So we're gonna take the plastic from here. Let's rip this off. Take this out the plastic. Alright, and here we go, and this is the top portion. So as you can see, inside is glossy, but on the outside it's matte. Alright, so this does give the computer a nice look when you install it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna install the case first, and then I'm gonna put the keyboard cover on here. So this is the top portion of the computer, so we're gonna put the bottom on first. So what we're gonna do here, pretty much we're gonna have these lined up with the back of the computer. So I'm guessing we gotta flip this over a little bit, put this down here. We're gonna have this slightly open, pull this over here, and then we're gonna snap it in right here at the back. Let's pull this off. So let's try this another way. We're gonna put this over the back first, let it hook right in that slot right there, then we bring it over here and snap it in. Boom, and you can hear that snapping, hear that click, and it snaps in right there. Alright, so now we have the bottom portion installed. That's what it looks like with the bottom portion on. Looks really nice, as you can see here. Alright, so now we're gonna put on the top piece. So to put that on, we're gonna have to open the computer here a little bit. So we're gonna open the computer, pull this, see these two little tabs right here? We're gonna put that over the screen, over the face of the computer right here, and click it down to the bottom right here. Alright, there we go. Alright, so this part is clicked on. We're gonna pull this over a little bit more. So let's pop this off and pop that one off. Alright, so we're gonna have to line this up center with the corners of the computer right here. Those are on. We close it down and we snap this side in as well, these two sides right here, and you can hear the clicks on the side. So now it's snapped in and it's securely on. Alright, and you can see the Apple logo through here a little bit, not too bright, but you can see that the Apple logo does show through here a little bit right here. Alright, now we're gonna put on the keyboard cover on here and see what it looks like with the keyboard cover installed. So I'm gonna take this out of the plastic here. And here we have the keyboard cover. So the first one we have here is this is for the 2020 MacBook, and we do have a 2020 MacBook here, so this is the one we're gonna use, and it does come with one that fits the other MacBook Pros if you have one. Alright, so we're gonna put this on the keys, see how it lines up. Alright, alright, so now as you can see, look at this, lines up really well, looks nice on the keys, and you can see on the caps lock here we have the light, the cutout for the light lines up really well on that as well, as you can see. Alright, so I turn the light caps lock on, you can see the light here, turn it off, you can see it there as well. And here's another look at the computer. So here's the keys, what the keys look like, and this is what the back of the computer looks like here when it's closed down on the lid. and the bottom portion, this is how it looks right here. All right, so if you want to see another color, I do have the navy blue on the channel that I unboxed the other day, so you can go ahead and check that out. All right, and this is the pink one. So we have reached the end of another unboxing. Thank you for watching. Remember to head on down below, hit the subscribe button to get notified as soon as I have another upload on the channel. All right, peace.